Hi guys. So, ayun, start tayo. Assignment 2. Assignment 2 na 1 to 8. So, okay, assignment natin kay sir. So, okay, instruction 1, write 2 if the statement is true. Otherwise, false. Pero dahil bida-bida tayo, bida-bida no? True or false lang pero may justification. So, let's go. So, syempre, kaya ng justification para, may explanation bakit siya true or false. Pero again, usual disclaimer. Kung may mali sa sasabihin ko, paki-correct po para ma-adjust natin yung kailangan natin adjust. Okay. So letter A, under the usual topology on R or the set of reals, the interval 1, 3, including 1. Yung 3, hindi siya include, then is a neighborhood of 2.99. So, sabi ko dyan is true. So, basically, as by the neighborhood. So, neighborhood daw, if meron kang, kunwari meron, so 1, 3 is a neighborhood na 2.99. So, ang kailangan mong gawin is, you need to find an open set G. As in, maghahanap ka, exist lang naman eh. So, kunwari, si 2.99, you need to find an open set G containing 2.99. So, yung G, this is their exist statement. Wait, tama nga ba? There exists nga ba? There exists. There exists G na open set such that G is a subset ng 1, 3, ay, ng 1, 3. So, yan yung kailangan mong hanapin. You need to find that G. So kapag minanap kang G, then you can conclude na 1, 3 is an neighborhood. Ang nahanap kong G is 2, 3, the open interval 2, 3. And we know na any open interval naman is an open set in reals kasi na-prove naman na natin yun sa class. So any open interval is open in the usual topology on R. So yung 2, 3, that's open. So take 2, 3, which is an open interval in R. Now, so check natin, like, nasatisfy ba itong this condition? Ito. So sabi, 2.99 is in 2, 3 with, well, of course, kasi in 2, 3, well, if you're going to draw number line, wow, bading din yung number line ko, guys. Hindi siya straight. So, ito yung 2, 3. So, si 299, so somewhere siya dito. Yan, dito si 299. So, nasa interval siya. So, si 2, 3, subset daw siya ni 1, 3. So, totoo ba? Actually, yes. Subset naman siya. Kasi, sige, gawin natin yung color. So, si 1, 3, ito. So, ito si 3. So, 1, 3. So, nasa loob naman si 2, 3 ng 1, 3. So, yeah, subset. So dahil nakahanap ka na open set containing 2.99, such that open set is subset ng 1, 3, then satisfied yung definition ng, what do you call this? Neighborhood. Yes. So, 1 is true. So, paano naman yung letter B? Ay, 1 is true. Letter A is true. So, paano naman yung letter B? Okay, so, hanapin natin si letter. So, for letter B, let us recall, ano ba yung discrete topology? O, diba? Topology ng mga hindi halata. Charis. Joke lang. Ang mali, oh my God, feel ko di siya gets ng straight community. Like, mga bading community lang may gets. Anyway, so, ano to? Discrete topology. So, ang discrete topology is just, ano siya? Yung power set. So, pag sinabi mo XT is the discrete, if you say XT is the discrete topological space. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung mga laman na to, topological space. So, si X is, yun yung power set ni X. X is P of X. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng subset ni X. Kasi ang power set, if recall niyo yung 101, power set is the set of, is the set of all subsets of X. So, parang lahat ng subsets ni X, nasa power set ni X. So, ibig sabihin, dito sa topological space na to, ang mga open set mo is your subsets ni X. So, ibig sabihin, subsets ni X. Kaya nakalagay dito. Which is open since all subsets of the discrete topology is open. So, ibig sabihin, I mean, of X dito. All subsets of X, subset of discrete topology. All subsets of X in the discrete topology is open. So all subset of X in the discrete topology is open. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ito, ang X mo kasi dito, ano ang X mo dito? Set of integers. Yeah, set of integers, yung X mo. So, itong set na to, definitely subsection ng Z. Kasi ano ba si negative 1, 0, 1. So, syempre they are all integers. So, this set is a subset ng integers. So, ibig sabihin, since ang X din natin is the discrete topological space, this is open. Open siya. Kasi since all subsets of X in the discrete topology is open. Tapos, uh, now, negative 1 is in the set. negative 1, 0, 1. So, nasa set, syempre, ito na, oh, hello, this, and this. So, nasa loob siya. Tapos, itong set na to, subset siya nung given set, this one. Yes. So, dahil open to, na laman niya yung negative 1, tapos itong open na to is subset na to. So, ibig sabihin, neighborhood siya. Neighborhood to na negative 1. Kaya true ang ating sagot. Now, sunod tayo sa letter C. So, letter C, ang sinasabi na to is, ano nga to? Considering the usual topology on wheels, if A and B are neighborhoods of pi, then A minus B is also a neighborhood. So, actually, ang sagot ko dito is false. Kasi ang counter example, wait, counter example. Okay. So, gawin natin is, consider the following counterexample. Kasi the statement is, ina-assume niya for universal. I mean, ina-assume niya for any AB neighborhoods ni pi. So, so yung A minus B is neighborhood din ni pi. Anyway, so, okay. So, hanap tayo ng specific neighborhood. Sabihin natin, let A be open interval 1, 4, and B be the open interval pi minus 0.1 and pi plus 0.1. So, A and B are neighborhoods. So, check lang natin neighborhood sila kasi, of course. So, ito na yung conditions. So, you can easily verify this. Kasi ang goal naman natin is A minus B. So, syempre, hanapin natin sa A minus B. So, A minus B is just A, ano nga, A minus B? A intersect B complement. Tama ba? Wait. Hindi, mali. Ang A minus B is just B, ay, is just the set A. Set A siya minus the B. Set B. Ano naman? Ganun lang siya. Tinanggal mo lang yung set B doon sa A. Okay. So, yung A mo is 1, 4. Yung B mo is pi minus 0.1 to pi plus 0.1. So, dahil wala si B, A, B, ito yung magiging interval mo. 1 to pi minus 0.1, union pi plus 0.1 to 4. So, nag-union ka lang. So, ito na yung A minus B. Pero yung pi, I mean, as you can notice, wala si pi sa A minus B. Wala si pi sa A minus B. So, pi is not in A minus B. So, A minus B is not a neighborhood. Yes. So, dapat si pi sa A minus B siya. Eh, wala siya dyan. Sabihin, hindi siya neighborhood. So, false yung statement. Number 4, let X be an this is the indiscrete space. If A is a subset of X and A is not empty, every point in X is an accumulation point of A or limit point of A. So, sabihin natin, what if X is equal to A? Kasi tawag dito, wala namang restriction na X is not equal to A. I mean, pwede kasing mangyari to, X is equal to A. Tapos pwede natin sabihin single thought. Okay, sabihin natin, note that X is the only open set that contains points. Kasi ang indiscrete space, ang laman lang niyan is X tsaka yung empty set. Ganda na empty set, bro. Wait lang. Ulit. So, ang indiscrete space kasi X tsaka the null set. So, yan na yung open sets niyan. So, ito lang yung mga laman ng space. Topological space. Yung X itself tsaka yung empty set. Siyempre, itong empty set, walang element yan. So, ibig sabihin, pwede na mag-contain na element ay si X. So, kaya nakalagay dito, note that X the open set contains point. So, if X is equal to a singleton A, so ibig sabihin, yung laman ni X is si A lang, singleton. Then A is equal to the set containing small a. Kaya sinabi ko A is equal to X. So, definitely si A dapat equal siya kay X. Kasi di naman siya pwede maging empty kasi nakalagay nga sa assumption na A is not empty. Tapos subset siya ni X. So, dapat A is equal to X. So, in this case, X is equal to A. So, gamitin na yung definition ng limit point. So, X minus the set containing A intersect with A is empty. So, wala nang laman. Kasi pag tinanggal ko si A dun sa X, this is empty. Magiging empty na to. Ito, empty set yan eh. Pag tinanggal mo ng A, pag tinanggal mo yung set containing A sa X, ibig sabihin, tatanggalan mo ng element sa X, which is A lang yung laman niya. So, wala na yan. So, magiging empty na siya. Tapos, yung empty set, intersect mo sa set, edi empty talaga intersection. So, A is not a limit point. Kasi para maging limit point, dapat hindi empty. Di ba? Ito yung definition. Dapat not empty. Pero dahil empty, so di siya limit point. Yeah, false yung statement. Next is the set of rationals. Intersection with the open interval from 0 to pi is open in reals. So, dapat na open. Okay. So let S be the set of rational numbers intersect with 0 to pi. So ang ibig sabihin ng S, this is the set of all rational. Set of all rational numbers. Set of all rational numbers only. Only from 0 to pi, not including 0 and pi, not including 0 and. So ibig sabihin, yan yung sinasabi nga. Set of all rationals. So ibig sabihin walang irrational. So dapat sa S, walang irrational. So wait lang, paano ba ito ilagay? So S does not contain any irrational number. So ayan. So basically yung sinasabi niya, so S does not contain any irrational numbers. Okay. Let arbitrary Q in S and let AB be in reals such that Q is in the interval AB. Kasi yun naman definition mo na open, di ba? Like, ang definition mo na open, ang definition mo na, because your definition is for any arbitrary na laman ni S, arbitrary element ni S, so Q in S, may mag-e-exist na open interval na AB. Yung A and B mo from the set of reals, tapos yung A is dapat less than B. So let A be such that A is less than. Yeah. So yun yung definition. So yun, kung gusto mo i-prove na open siya for any arbitrary element ni S, dapat makahanap ka ng interval na open. Na yung arbitrary element nasa loob ni AB, tapos si AB dapat subset ni S, ay subset ni S. Okay, so suppose case in S, let A be in R such that Q is in the open interval AB. Pero we have this result from real analysis. This rational numbers are dense in R. So ibig sabihin, for any interval AB, so ito AB, will contain irrational numbers. So, una ito yung AB, kasi A is less than B. So, sa bawat interval lang, sure ka na may irrationals dyan. So, hindi natin alam kung saan. Pero sure ka by the density property ng irrationals. So, kaya nakalagay dito, any interval AB will contain irrational numbers. Pero si irrational numbers, wala siya kay S. Kasi ang laman ni S ay irrationals lang from 0 to pi, not including 0 and pi. So, si S, mga rationals lang. Pero dahil so, ibig sabihin, never ka makakahanap ng AB. Like, walang nag exist na AB na open interval na subset ni X. So, dahil walang ganon, then S is not open. Yeah, false. So, that's the first part. Yeah. So, next part.